Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today let us discuss a topic on motivation. So bringing back this cute little diary that I've mentioned in my previous video, that I write all my sayings and thoughts in this video. So I have just written this motivation note long while ago. So let's just begin the video. I definitely remember writing this note on 22nd August in the month of August in the year 2016. So I've written a short note to each and every single topic. So I just like to read it out here since that's what this channel is for and for all of you as well. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you're someone who has landed here for the first time, please do definitely consider subscribing to the channel because this channel is all about self love, self care, loving yourself, giving yourself the required amount of chances, and loving yourself too much, so much that do not even give the uh, you do not even give the you do not even give the power to somebody else to say that you are you are too small, or you just can't do this, or you just can't achieve this. All right, so that is actually the motivation. So now let's begin the video. So, according to you guys, let me know in the comments what motivation means. But motivation is something that, getting from within and thinking that it's a self of sense, it's a sense of self happiness. So yes, so let's begin. Motivation. Motivation is the key in every single person's life. The only thing one needs to do is to forget negative thoughts and past, future, and bad ideas and etc. and open the new keys which is presented to you by God. There will be challenges, there will be a number of challenges in life. The man or the human being must decide which kind of problem is a challenge for you and which kind of challenge are you being able to ready to accept it and pursue that in a much more positive way. And now, don't break down in life under any circumstances, even though if it's a difficult challenge or a much more difficult situation or a tough situation, be it in your exam moment, be it your first day in the office, first day in the college, first day at school. Do not break down or do not feel that you do not have somebody who is a lot more into, who is not, who doesn't come under your kind of your kind of subject or your kind of behavior or your kind of who's not your kind especially. And so see to it that you focus on every single moment in your life, enjoy every single moment, try try everything. Do not just stick onto one topic or one subject. If you like something, get into it. If you like art, if you like uh, to draw. If you like to paint. Do what gives you happiness. Do not ever settle for less. Do not ever think that this person has told me this way, so I'm supposed to be this way. No, it's not. It doesn't work that way in life. That is not the exact amount of motivation. Surround yourself with people who try to give you the required amount of happiness, who try to give you the required amount of positivity, who try to give you the required amount of appreciation. See to it that each and every single person you surround yourself with are filled with that kind of qualities around you. Also, there are ways to success in life. There are many other ways to success in life, not just one idea or not just one genre or not just one particular topic. All right. So if you want to achieve or accomplish something, get into it. Go ahead. Don't think twice or thrice. Yeah, I mean, think twice and thrice before you step onto it, and before you feel that I am the right fit for this, and I am pretty much confident on what I do. I believe that I definitely contain these kind of skills in me, and I want to get into this no matter what. Even though if it's any challenge that I have to face, I am ready to do that. Now, go ahead, try your best. Give it a shot. See to it that you are a perfect fit and show people what you are. Show your talent, showcase yourself. Get yourself ready, give it a shot, wear a nice t-shirt and get into a lot of you know speaking sessions or training sessions. Or if you're interested in art, get into art. If you're interested in painting, get into painting. If you're interested in speaking, get into speaking. If you're interested in content creation, get into content creation. If you're interested into becoming a writer, get into it. It's not that as soon as I say content creation now, people start commenting saying that, oh my god, will you purchase the ring light or will you purchase the equipment and stuff for me? It doesn't work that way. It's not that you definitely need a ring light until and unless you afford to it, because I know it's the budget. Okay, so it's definitely something that one must give it a shot. And trying in each and every single thing and genre. It's not just you have to give it a shot only for one thing. Now try your best into it. Listen to your inner soul. Listen to each and every single thing that your soul advises you. Now I have seen since my childhood days, my all the elders used to tell me that listen to everybody but follow your heart. Now that was too challenging for me. Um, but since last year or something that I started believing in myself, and I used to follow just whatever my heart says. I just take advice from my close people, and I sit for some time. I start thinking that what is the one thing that describes best of me, for me, and what is the one thing that describes the best. And I try to figure out a solution to it, and I get into it. Now, listen to your inner soul, which tells you what you can do it and what you can move on and what you can definitely achieve and showcase yourself to people. And with this, we complete the motivation topic, and I'm really happy for that. Now, if you are still here until the 6th minute, I literally wanted to just tell one thing. Thank you so much for the support and the love that you people are showering on me. Please do definitely consider subscribing to the channel, because I'm trying to be a lot more consistent on this channel, and I just wanted to bring a lot more information for you guys. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, let me know what kind of topics you want me to make in the next one. Bye. Love you guys. Also, love your smile though. Love yourself.